Late and I'm eating on my own tonight, so I thought I'd just share with you how versatile some store cupboard staples can really be when we want to have something that's quick and easy, but also how good it is for our health. So I'm planning to eat some sardines tonight, some basic tinned sardines. Sardines are fantastic because they're one of our great oily fish that we should be consuming 2 or 3 times a week. Too many people tend to focus on omega-3, yet it's the important fats that are called EPA and DHA that are the really important fats that we need to be eating far more of. And having them in a sort of store cupboard staple way like this is just such an easy way to just grab something when you want to be quick, and why they are so good for our health. If you look at the ingredients on the back of a tin, they actually have 23 grams of protein. We need to be eating about 50 to 60 grams of protein today, and I often find clients don't eat nearly enough protein. So this small tin of sardines actually achieves 1/3 of what you actually need each day. In addition to that, it's only got 3.5 grams of saturated fat, and as I said, the rest of the fat in this is made up of those fantastic essential fats that the body needs and can't make for itself. So what am I going to do with it? Well, if I wanted to be really quick and easy, I'd just put these on toast and grill them. That's nice and easy. I might well stir fry these with vegetables and just chuck them in a pan and do something with them that way. Sometimes I'll have these at lunchtime and just make a nice salad with avocado, beetroot, other bits and pieces like that, and add the sardines to it as well. These fats are called essential and they are so important to our health. Our brain is made up of 60 to 70% of these fats. They are anti-inflammatory and they are surrounded, every cell membrane and our nerve endings are surrounded in a layer of these good fats. We have to get them from our diet. So having something like this in your cupboard that you can easily reach is just a great thing to do. I hope that's been helpful, and I'll speak to you soon.